gonna explain how did I calculate the overlap area of two ellipses. First, let's run the code. So in the first example, I'm gonna set two ellipses at origin, and the width of both of them is 2. And the result should be pi because the overlap area should be a circle, and the result we got is 3.2384, which is very close to pi. And in the second example, I try another two ellipses, and for the first ellipse, the first focal point is 6, 6, and another one is 1, 8. And the width of it is 9, and the second ellipse, the first focal point is 7, 3, second focal point is 9, 4, and the width is 9, and the overlap area is 12.597, which is very close to the results on the discussion board. So how did I do this is first I import the pseudo-random number generator from our previous assignments, and then I wrote a class called point. This class will take two parameters and return the x and y value. And I also had another class called ellipse, and in this class I can input 2 points and the width of the long axis. In this class, I also had several functions, and by having these functions, I can get the width of the ellipse. I can get the most left x value, most right x value, and the bottom y value and top y value. And I also have a function called isPointInset, and this function I can check if the point inside the ellipse. After having all of these class and functions, I had my main function, and in this function, I'm gonna compute the overlap area of two ellipses. So what I first do is first I get the left, right, top, bottom points of the area, and the area is a square, and also I calculate the total area of this square. After that, I check if a point inside two ellipses, and if the answer is yes, I'm gonna accumulate it. And last, I'm gonna calculate the area of overlap of two ellipses. So that's how I did for this assignment.